We assume that artificial intelligence will impact virtually all professions, and it certainly will.
What does studying mean when AI is always present? Should I learn to ask better, not just know? I want to grasp it, not just click through.
What is the limit?
When does AI help, and when does it replace my thoughts?
Is co-creation with AI the new goal? Maybe the point is not to make the human-machine system perfect, but about keeping it human.
Generative AI is changing teaching and learning massively. When knowledge is ubiquitous, available at our fingertips, other things become more important than just conveying information.
What all stakeholders in universities notice is that the world is changing. And that is a challenge for all of us because we do not just want to demand learning from students every day, but from ourselves.
I believe that this begins with the fact that teachers, as is constantly being demanded in the wake of the AI topic, must adopt a different role. So moving away from being the sage on the stage and towards being a trusted and supportive guide on the side.
And the challenge is that we have to have the courage to leave our own comfort zones, to try things out and to gather experience. And that, especially with AI, together with the students.
For one thing, I believe that our students, as digital natives, come to us with AI knowledge, meaning that teachers can ultimately benefit and learn from them, and from that, create entirely new formats for university learning, because you are then able to use AI together.
And I think when that is in place, I as a teacher no longer have the fear that I must constantly every single second keep educating myself, because I need to know what is current, but rather I open up the space and talk to the students I interact and, for example, also determine with the students how an exam format, which is of course specified in the curriculum and examination regulations, but how that can be concretely implemented, and in doing so, I also shape the curriculum for them on an equal level with the students.
Specifically, what must we teach so they can classify knowledge, think further, and make responsible and informed use of it? Universities thereby become even more places that ultimately must provide orientation and call for critical thinking and creative problem solving.
I think a curriculum becomes a development space when students are also involved in the development of the curriculum itself, and that students are included when the boundaries are being set, like in a ball game, the soccer field, and that there are initially no obstacles on this field, but that development can take place on this field. And if it rains or if there are other environmental influences, that one can react to that in a flexible and adaptive way.